Hi there, my name is Hao, and this is just another video of me solving LeetCode problems. So today we have a very classic two-sum problem. So given an array of integer num and integer target, return the indices of two numbers such that they add up to the target. And you may assume that is exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. So the index have to be unique, right? And we also know that we always have at least two elements in the input array. So that is one less edge case to worry about. So we can use we can find all combination of every possible combination in the input array, but that will give us the O of n squared time complexity. So we can reduce the time of complexity to O of n by using some space, right? So the trade-off here is the space. So we can use a hash map to keep track of our visited elements. So let's say we have 2, 7, 11, and 15 here, and the target is 9. So as we iterate through the array, we're gonna check if the target minus the current number here, which is the 7, right? So the current number now is 2. It is our current number. And if we have the 7 in our hash map, right, which is if 7 is already visited, it will be added to the hash map. And if we are now at 2, and if we have 7, which means we found the targets, right? We found the solution. And we can just go ahead and return the indices, right? So we also need to keep track of the indices, right? Let's say the 7 is at 1, so you can return the indices. So let's start it. So because 7 is not in the hash map, so we don't do anything. We just go ahead and add 2 in the hash map, keep track of the index, and move to the next one. And now 9 minus 7 is 2. Now we have the current number is 7, right? And we have 2 in the hash map, which means we found the solution. So we can just go ahead and return 0 and 1, 0 and 1. So that is pretty straightforward. So let's code this up. So we're gonna have a hash. Oh, let's call it visited. So we're gonna iterate through the nums. So for let I equals 0, I less than num of blank, let I plus plus. Num is equal to num of I, where the beacon is the target minus the num, right? And if the difference is in the visited, we just go ahead and return the visited diff and then our current index, right? So the visited diff will return the index of the visited number, and we also need the current index. So if it's not add up to the target, we're just gonna go ahead and add the current number to the hash map. So num is equal to I. And I believe that's it. Accept it, submit, and it worked. Thank you for watching.